What's up everybody, Chris here from Bold Canyon Outdoors, and you guys have seen my videos on GearAmerica gear. In fact, you've probably seen the one on my Mega Shackles, but GearAmerica just sent something out brand new that I wanted to show off today. Well, why are my Mega Shackles sitting here? I'm going to show you. GearAmerica just came out with their brand new isolators for the Mega Shackles. Now these guys are good looking, they're easy to install, they prevent corrosion and keep your Mega Shackles from banging around on your Jeep. The shackles come with these little O-rings which prevent corrosion and keep the side-to-side wiggling down to a minimum, but you've still got the bottom of the horseshoe, the bottom of the D in the D-ring that can clang against your bumper or what have you. So that's where these isolators come in. Let's dig into them and get them installed. That was easy. All right, so here they are. So these are the Mega Shackle Isolators. What these are designed for is protection, essentially. So it eliminates rattle noise. It protects your bumper. It also prevents corrosion, because if you've got something metal on metal that's hitting your bumper and it digs through this powder coating, which I doubt it will, but it might take off some of the metal on your steel bumper, you don't want that to corrode. These prevent that from happening. To put these on, you just slip them into place. So we're going to take it, and we're going to slip it right onto, oh, look, I say it's easy, and then I struggle with it, right onto the Mega Shackle, and slide it into place. There you go. It's that simple, and that's not going anywhere. I mean, it can slide around if you force it. You can take it off if you need to, but that's not going to fall off when you're driving down the road or rambling down the trail. These look great, they fit great, and they keep everything protected and keep corrosion from happening and whatnot, but you always want to take them off before you use the shackle. So if you're going to hook this up to a winch line, to a soft shackle, to the new kinetic recovery rope, anything like that, you want to take these isolators off first. And you know, they're just as easy to take off as they are to put on. You just slip them off. It's a good tight fit, and boom, there you go. Now this is ready to use in a recovery situation. You want to leave them on when you've got it on the rig, but you want to take them off before you got to put these Mega Shackles to use. I'm going to get this one put right back on. And now we're going to head out to the BCO garage and we're going to put them on the Jeep. All right, we made it out to the garage, and I'm going to install the Mega Shackle right on its little spot here on my bumper. So take out the pin. Make sure you don't lose your two little rubber O-rings. We'll slide one on, get this guy into place. Slide the other one in. Sorry if my arm's in your way. Get that installed. Now I like to take a screwdriver and give it a little bit of extra oomph. Make sure it's nice and tight on there. All right, so now I've got the O-rings up top here to prevent corrosion where the metal meets metal, and I've got the isolator on the bottom, so it's not going to bang and clang up against the bumper. So there we go, we're protected on all fronts. Don't forget, take the isolator off before you use it. It's installed, it's ready to go, and I've got my Mega Shackles back on the Jeep. So I hope you enjoyed this. So do me a favor, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and ring that bell, and you'll get all kinds of notifications of when we put out more cool gear stuff, more fun adventures, all kinds of neat stuff.